Hello students, I am Stinder Kundu and I am going to start the topic tenses. Tenses are very important in English. Without tenses, we can't change active voice to passive voice and from direct to indirect speech. So we are discussing tenses just to understand voices and narration. So tenses means time. We have three tenses: present, past and future. Present means the time that is still going on, that is present time. Past, that had gone or past. And the future, that will come but it will never come. So your three tenses: present, past and future. These are the three main division of tenses. And again there are four subdivision of each tense. First is indefinite or simple tense, second is continuous, third is perfect, and fourth is perfect continuous tense. Indefinite means simple event. Continuous means when there is continuity, and perfect means when the action is completed. And the perfect continuous tense means action is complete as well as there is some continuity. So first discuss present tense. We have four present tense. First, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. So we have four present tenses. In the same way, we have four past tenses: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. In the same way, we have three or four future tenses: future indefinite or future simple, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. So we have 12 tenses, and these are must for understanding of voices and narrations. Next is table that shows tenses. So what we have discussed, the same is described in the table, but here we used to learn helping verb and verbs. There are 12 tenses and verb form of the verbs are same on most of the tenses, but helping verbs are totally different from one another. So in this table shows 12 tenses. Here is present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. In the same way, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. So we shall understand which helping verbs or verbs are used in these tenses. First, there is present indefinite tense. In present indefinite tense, we use first form plus SOS. If sentence is negative, we use do not or does not. When does is used after does, SOS will not come. Only first form without SOS. So when we change from active voice to passive voice or convert direct to indirect speech or narrations, the sentences which are given in exams, we ought to understand which tense is used in these sentences or in those sentences in question paper. So what is the identification of present indefinite tense? In present indefinite tense, first form and sometimes first form SOS. For example, he writes a letter, writes. They go to school, go. So that is the identification of a present indefinite tense. Means when there is first form or first form plus SOS, present indefinite tense is used. And when sentence is negative, do not or does not. Right. Now come to present continuous tense. We mean form of the verb, first form plus ing. In present continuous tense, first form plus ing is used. Helping verb is MR. Present perfect, third form, helping verb has, have. And present perfect continuous tense, helping verb first form plus ing, has been, have been plus since or for is used for time. Again, past indefinite, second form, he wrote a letter, he went to school, second form. And in negative sentences, did is used, did not. When did is used, only first form will come, not second. Past continuous, first form plus ing, verb, helping verb was, were. Past perfect, third form, helping verb had. And past perfect continuous tense, first form plus ing and helping verb had been. And now come to future indefinite tense. We use first form, helping verb shall and will. If there is shall and will plus first form, it means that sentence belongs to future indefinite tense. And future continuous verb first form plus ing, helping verb shall be, will be. And in future perfect tense we use third form, helping verb shall have plus will have. If any sentence there is a shall have plus third form or will have plus third form, it means that sentence belongs to future perfect tense. And now last is future perfect continuous tense, helping verb first form plus shall have, will have been, and verb first form plus ing. So there is similarity. We have 6 continuous. Remember, first tense is indefinite, second is continuous, third is perfect, and fourth is perfect continuous tense. For example, we have 3 continuous tense: present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous, as well as 3 perfect continuous tense: present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. In all these 6 tenses we use first form plus ing. We have 3 perfect tense: present perfect, past, and future perfect. We use third form. So in 6 continuous tenses we use first form plus ing. In 3 perfect we use third form. And we have 3 indefinite tenses: present indefinite first form, second is past indefinite second form, and again future first form. So these are the verb form of the verbs used in these tenses. So with the help of helping verb we cannot make difference. So helping verbs must be kept in mind to make difference between tenses. In present indefinite, do, does or first form. Present continuous is MR. Present perfect has a plus third form. So if there is a sentence which has plus third form or have plus third form, it means that sentence belongs to present perfect tense. If there is a was, were plus ing, he was going, he was writing a letter, they were playing, it means this sentence belongs to past continuous tense. If there is had plus third form, it means that past perfect tense is used. In the same way, if there is shall be, will be plus first form plus ing, for example, I shall be playing cricket, he will be playing cricket. So if there is use of shall be and will be plus first form plus ing, future continuous tense is used. In future indefinite there is shall, will plus first form. So dear students, in order to understand voices and narration we must know tenses. Or when a sentence of active voice or passive active voice is given or direct speech is given in narration, we ought to understand which tense is used in that sentence. So just to make difference which helping verb or verbs are used, so these helping verbs and verbs make difference between different tenses. So without proper understanding of tenses, voices and narration cannot be converted. So that is my first video, and I will share next video about active voice and passive voice. So you will learn all the helping verbs and verbs of different tenses.